Oh, it's the skin for me. No, it's the no haircut for me. Daddy! Woo, wow. Hello everyone, my name, you know, when it comes to vlogging, I'm trying not to look at that myself, but I'm trying to look at the lens, but is really difficult. I don't know how vloggers do this on the daily, but I'm gonna look at the lens and we're gonna keep it moving. Okay, anyway. Hi everyone, welcome to, oh my God. Hi everyone, it's Rob here and welcome to another Weekend at Rob's video. And today, I'm normally in my room filming this, but I actually am in my car, obviously, because I forgot some ingredients for today's video. So today we're doing a French omelet, which is gonna be so sickening, I can't wait to do it. But I have to grab a few more things. What you might add, because it's just eggs. No, it's not these. I have to get some herbs and green chives and cream, all the things. And it's gonna be great. So, yeah, I'm gonna get into it. But before we do, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay and watch the whole video. So, hi, it's now 5 o'clock, and I don't know where the day went, but it left. And yeah, I'm gonna get through this video and we're gonna do it. So yeah, as I said earlier, I'm gonna make a French omelet and I'm gonna use brie cheese to put in between. And it's gonna be really good. I've actually never made a French omelet before. This is gonna be our first time, so if it flops, I'm gonna post it anyway. Hey, things don't always work out the way you want them to, and that's fine. That's life. That's reality. So yeah, we're gonna get right to it. So, all right, let's do it. So to start the omelet off, I have 3 eggs that I've cracked into a large bowl. Now, as I said, this is my first time making this, so I just kind of followed what I saw on the internet. And I basically saw a lot of people put cream in it. You can either use heavy cream or heavy whipping cream. But for me, I just got 2 capfuls or 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream to add to my mixture. And then to season it, I basically just use ground black pepper and Himalayan salt, which I'll show in the camera. And you want to whisk it into submission, girl. Yes, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. I whisk it for about 25-30 seconds, but the real test will be when you lift the whisk up, you should see a bit of a strand of the egg to show its consistency. And then we're gonna move on to my skillet. So I used a different kind of butter. I used a brand called Plugra. I know from what I saw, a lot of people say used a great French butter, something that was really creamy, but I couldn't find that at Kroger, so I just got what I saw would be the best. And I basically put 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan and let it melt. I didn't let it get too hot to sizzle, but just enough to melt it. And then I added the eggs. Now, I did see from other people that they made sure that they kept stirring the eggs as it was cooking. And you don't want it to be on a super high heat, so I had it on basically low or medium low. And you want to continue to scrape around the edges. So I let it sit for a little while and cook the bottom. And then for me, I added the brie cheese that I mentioned earlier. And I was ready to get ready to flip it. So my test to flip it was I just basically used my spatula to go around the edges to make sure that it felt right. And then I could lift off of it. But baby, at this point, I knew I had fucked up somewhere along the lines. And yeah, did not work out well. Okay, I don't want to show you how this turned out, but listen, we're a transparent family over here. So, y'all, that was a whole fail. Okay, it did not work out. I tried to make a nice little sickening French omelet, but it turned into this scrambled eggs hot ass mess. So, um, yeah. I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna recap this tomorrow, and we're gonna do a part two because I'm gonna conquer this. I'm gonna make this French omelet. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be pretty. And period. I'm not gonna let a damn omelet dominate me, defeat me, defeat me. No.